Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So today we are back with another C++ video, but it will be a different video from the previous video which we have created, because in the previous video we have covered up the project using C++, but this will be a different tutorial video of C++, and in this video I'll be telling you that what are control structure, if else and switch case statements in C++. So we'll be learning three things in one video because these all three things are same, and that is why I'm just telling about these three things only in one video, so you can have a good understanding about control structure, about if else statements, and about switch case statements as well. We have learned about these all things in Python, in JavaScript as well, and I hope you understand that. But now we are learning these all things in C++, like how to use them, where we can use them, and like how many tags which we have to write to use these all functions. So this will be really amazing video, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video from start. And if you have understand this video and learn things from this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notification of my all the videos which I'll be uploading in future. So what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started. So now here on the computer screen, like in start, I've told you that in this video we'll be covering up a tutorial using C++, and in this video I'll be telling you about what are control structure, what are if else statement and switch case statement in C++. So what we are waiting for, let's get started. But before starting with this tutorial, we have to create a file of C++ in which we will be working on these things. So here I will be giving the name of my file. So I will be giving the name as like you can say, I will be giving the name as tutorial. It will be just, I think, good for this video. So I'll be writing tutorial.cpp, and we have written .cpp to save my file as C++ format, and I'll be saving it on desktop. You can save in any other location you want. So I will be creating the file by saving it on desktop. After saving the file, here you can just see we have created the file, and now in this file we'll be starting with our tutorial. And now we have to write the starting code of C++, like you all know that, which is include IOStream. So I'll be writing hashtag include. So you have to write like this, IOStream. And after writing that, I will be simply moving down, and I will be using namespace std with that. Write init main function, because in this init main function, we will be writing all the things which we will be needing to work on this project or work on this tutorial, you can say. So now here I will be using the count function, and in this count function I will be writing like what this tutorial is about. So I will be writing this is tutorial 9 like this, and now here I will be closing this, and now I will be writing init age. And now we are learning about control structure. Like first of all, I'm telling you what are control structure, and these all which we are writing the things are the examples of control structure. Now here I will be moving down, and I will be writing the count function, and here I will be writing tell me your age. Like this I have written the text, and now we will be ending this, and for ending the function you have to write endl, which is really compulsory to write if you want to end the function. And now here we will be writing sin age like this, and then I will be just moving down, and you have to write one comment in which I will be writing selection control structure. These are the control structure, and now we will be using else if else ladder like this. And now here I will be moving down, in which I will be writing if age 18, or you can just write less than 18. Then here I will be writing and here I will be writing age greater than 0 like this. Now the value which we will be writing will be as count function. So here I will be now doing one thing, like I will be removing this, or you can directly write it here. It is not compulsory to write all the things working here. So I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be just moving at the top, and then I will be removing these two quotes from here, because now we will be writing the age. And now here I will be writing the count function. Here I will be writing you cannot come to my party like this. I've written the text, which is the example of control structure and if else statement. So here I will be writing endl to end the function. Then again I will be using else if, but this time I'm not using only if, I'm using else also with the if. Then I will be writing 2 equal to 18, and here you have to write count, and then you have to write you are a kid and you will get a kid pass to the party like this. I've written the text here. Then you have to write here endl, and now here I will be just moving down, else if value I will be writing age, and then you have to write less than 1, so we can get the value of age working. Then the count function, and here you are not yet to born like this I will be writing. And now here we have to end this function, and to end this simply we will be using the endl. So you can just see endl has been used, then else, which will be as count, and here I will be writing you can come to the party. So like that I'm writing the text here, so that the text should be working with all the examples which we are using of control structure and if else statements. So now here I will be again ending the function by using the elden. Then here I will be moving down, and after moving down you have to write the second switch case. So the second switch case which we will be writing is selection. So here I will be writing selection control structure, and then I will be using switch case statement, which are the example of switch case statement which we are using here now. So I will be writing here switch case statements, and now you can just see all the things has been written perfectly fine, and I think there is no mistake here. Then I will be writing switch age, and then I will be giving some spacing from here. Then you have to move down, and after moving down I will be using case 18 here, and in case 18 I will be writing the count function. Here I will be writing UR18 like this, then end this by writing this endl. So you can just see we have ended this, and after ending this function I will be using the break. So we can break this. So you can see it has been breaked. Then we will be using another case here, and the other case which we will be using of 22, and here I will be writing the count function in which I will be writing UR22, then end this by using endl, then case 2, and in this case 2 I will be using the count function, and in this count function simply I will be writing here UR2. So you can just see, and then end this by using this endl. So you can just see all the things has been settled here, and we have to break this function as well. So I will be writing break, and here as well we have to write break. So we can end this 22 function as well. So you can just see we have breaked all the functions here. Then write here default. So I will be writing here default, and write here count, no special. So here I will be writing no special cases. Then write here endl like this, and now here I will be writing break. After doing that, here I will be writing count, and I will be writing done with switch case, and close this, return the value as 0. So you can see the value will be returning as 0. Now save these all things which we have covered up yet, and then if I run this by using this run button here, so you will be seeing that we'll be getting a different output if I show you. So you can just see it is saying me that this tutorial is 9 and tell me your age. I will be writing my age is like 15, enter, and now you can just see it is saying me that you cannot come to my party because no special cases and done with the switch cases. So like this we have created, and you can just see one thing, that when we are getting this you cannot come to my party, so it is called control structure. Like control structure is telling me that if you are not above 18, so you cannot come to the party. If you are above 18, so you can come to the party, because I have written the age 15, and that is why I cannot come to the party, because I'm not above 18, and that is why it is saying me you cannot come to my party. And then if I move on to the cases, so it is showing me no special case, because here we are not above 18, and that is why the case is showing no special cases, because in default value we have written that. So these are called control structure, switch case statements. In the end we have used switch case statements. If I show you from start, we have used first of all the control structure, after that we have used if else statements, and in the end we have used switch case statements. So we have created one you can say project using these three statements, and that is why we were using these three statements here to create a project. So if I run this code again, and if I write the age here as 20 right now, and if I press enter, so you can just see it is saying me you cannot come to the party, no special case is done with switch case, because the special case are 18, 22 and 2. So we have to use these special cases here. Now if I use the age 18 here, so it is a special case, so it will be showing me it is a special case. So you can just see it is saying me you are a kid and you will get a kid pass to the party, you are 18, done with the switch case. Now it is not showing me no special cases, it is showing me you are 18 because it is a special case. And it is also telling me that you are a kid and you will get a kid pass to the party, means you can enter to the party with a kid pass because you're 18. If you're not greater than 18, or if you are like more greater than 18, so you will be not getting a kit pass. You're 18, so that is why you're getting a kit pass to enter the party. So I hope you understand that how we have created this amazing project. Means it was a tutorial video, but with these 3 tutorials we have created one project, and I hope you understand that how we have used control structure, if else statement and switch case statement to create a project. So if you have understand this video and if you have enjoyed this project, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so more people can learn about these amazing things using different languages which we are covering up to this channel. So I will be meeting you in next video with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.